action.
Hello everyone, this time we're going to be making oatmeal raisin cookies. And my family really likes the cookies that I make, so we should get started. Also, I always like to start with the things that don't have the cups and the tablespoons. So we're going to start with an egg and softened butter. Put the egg in there, and then we're going to put the butter in there. Stupid butter. Now it's time to start the sugars. This time we're not using normal brown sugar. This is actually dark brown sugar, which I don't use as often as I do normal brown sugar. So we'll get that out. Very small. And we're going to put that in the mixer. Yum. Now we're going to do the same thing with normal white sugar. That in the mixer too. The last thing we want is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So the vanilla extract, and then this part again is very tricky, so be careful. Do it over the mixer so that it doesn't spill. Then pour that in. And then you're done with the first ingredients. So then, let's get out the mixer. And then we're going to start that up. And again, there's always 1/2 teaspoon. So we are going to use this inside of our baking soda so that we can grab some of that. Put that in here. And then we'll also actually need baking powder as well. It's hard to open for me. Once I get it, I'm gonna grab some of that, put it in there. And then you're going to also want some kosher salt, which I have right here. And I'm going to pour that in there. And then let's keep it going again. This part has a ton of ingredients. So we're going to have to stop this. And then first thing we'll want is flour. And we're just gonna get 1 big old cup of flour. Grab you, and then we're gonna put you in there. And then, this is the fun part, which will make sense. Now, we're going to want the raisins and oats. We want 1.5 cups of oats, which will take me a minute. Give me a sec. Ay, 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 my kitchen is already messy. Thankfully, I have the 1 1/2 cup to pour inside. Now it's time for the raisins, which we want 3/4 a cup. I like to use golden raisins because, first of all, they look cool. Second of all, they're delicious. Oh yeah, that was a lot. Plop those in there. Then we're gonna let it stir for about 2 more minutes. Right now, by the time, you should have your oven to 350 degrees. Oh, mine just went on. So you'll put the cookies into the oven for about 8 to 9 minutes, and then you'll take them out, put them on something to cool for a little bit, and then they're just so delicious. If you like your cookies as well, then can you please hit that subscribe button, because your cookies will taste just as delicious as mine are.